It is a wonderful morning today, and I'm greeting you in the name of Jesus. You have to listen to this one. It is built within a man. We were created that way to appreciate and to, receive compliments from those who acknowledge us and our efforts. It feels good to have that congratulations sometimes, to have that you look beautiful, you are a great cook. When you have outdid yourself and went beyond your abilities and your capabilities, when you have pushed to that limit, you'd like people to notice, especially if you were doing that on behalf of a certain group of people, or on behalf of assisting others to achieve something. You would like people to that tap on the shoulder. Sometimes it feels good, it motivates, it pushes you to want to do more. I want to tell you that you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful that you don't find yourself living to feed your excitement out of the compliments that you get from people, because this feeling is addictive. You will want to do everything. You will be tempted to do everything to receive compliments from people. That's where you start losing yourself. That's where you start losing who you are, and you start living according to what you want people to tap, what you want people to compliment. You will want a character that people will always say, well done, congratulations, you are the best. You would look for people approval and people compliments instead of manifesting the real you. The thing with being yourself has this in advantage. Those who come around you, when you are yourself, when you are purely who you are with your own weaknesses, and those who get to see who you are, and those who get to understand who you are and still approves you as you are, you know that they are authentic. You know that they are not pretending. They are not just complimenting you, liking you, being close to you because they are receiving something from you. So when you are living for people and try to impress people, you will find yourself surrounded by those who will only want to receive from you, and they will never accept you for who you are. Manifest who you are. Show yourself, admit that you are who you are, approve yourself, and work on your weaknesses at your own pace. Be yourself. Be yourself so that you can be surrounded by real authentic people in your life. Be blessed. Shalom.